Turns out those sinus issues I was having, that cough, I had a pretty gnarly case of pneumonia. Put me in the ICU for a little bit. But I'm back, stronger and healthier than ever. Wanted to give you a quick update on that. I'm back to making videos on this rather warm Michigan day. 84 degrees. So let's get in the video that we're about to do. We'll see you guys here in a sec. Alright, YouTube. Welcome back. So I already gave you an update on where I've been. And today, changing out the cabin filter in the truck. Nissan recommends every 15,000 miles or every year. Tomorrow marks 1 year, and I've got almost 16,000 miles on the truck. So we're going to change the cabin air filter real quick. First thing we're going to do is screw at the bottom here, screw at the bottom here. Don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but we're gonna do it. There's 5 screws you gotta do when doing this little filter. You got the bottom trim. And then up top, you got 3 across the top. Not too terrible of a job. I know a lot of people complain about it, but realistically, it's just a couple extra screws than what it used to be in the second gen. Take a little screwdriver, pop it like so, and do your little light. Got a little piece of trim in the way, just like so. Cabin air filter is behind this door here. It's behind this door right in here. There's a clip. Pull it just like so. There's the filter. We're gonna grab this filter and pull her out. See, it's a bit dirty. That's 1 year, 15,000 miles. As you can tell, the difference there. 1 year, 15,000 miles. Old filter's gray, new one's white. So we're going to take this one and throw that one out. Now, when you install your new filter, you want to make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing down into your blower housing. And then just like when we took the old one out, let's push the new one in. Just like so. You take your end plate, Push that back in. Now we just reinstall the glove box. So I'm going to take my glove box here. Make sure my trim is where it needs to be. Plug my little light in, like so. Now you got to make sure you get your weather stripping correct. As well, because that will hold you up if you don't got your weather stripping correct. Push it up. This is what I'm talking about right here with the weather stripping. This right here, part of the glove box fits under that and behind part of your kick panel. So, just like removal of the screws, you just go ahead and reinstall your screws. You have the one, the two, then you got your top three. Like so. And that's literally it. Hopefully you can see that on the camera because it's a bit bright outside and slightly dark in the truck. But anyway, that was replacement of the cabin air filter. And this has been a Frontier, Michigan video. Some basic maintenance. Remember, every year or 15,000 you're supposed to change it. Not too terrible of a job. I took, you know, at this point in time in recording, 8 minutes. Realistically less than that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back in the AC because it's a bit warm for this part of Michigan. But I'll see you guys in the next one. And I will be filming the 1 year review here soon. Because again, tomorrow is 1 year. And if I get a chance, I'll do some fuel mileage testing with all the mods that are on the truck. And see basically just how the truck has held up over the last year and close to 16,000 miles. So, I'm Jeff, and see you guys next time.